Let's talk about perimenopause, the transitional period that leads up to menopause. It can be confusing and often uncomfortable for a lot of women to deal with. You know, what we're going to talk about today is the common signs and symptoms of perimenopause, and hopefully you'll leave with a better understanding of what's happening during this, natural stage of life. It's like the Erica R. Jones, MD. So first we're going to talk about irregular periods. What some people don't understand is that your period can do a lot of weird things during perimenopause. You're going to have some irregularity, whether that means that you're having longer cycles, shorter cycles, heavier, or lighter bleeding, and sometimes even skipping a period. Another symptom, I think this might be one of the most bothersome symptoms that women in my family have had, is hot flashes. So it's like sudden sensations of intense heat. A lot of times it's accompanied by just profuse sweating, sometimes redness of the face, neck, and chest. And it can happen at any time of the day. Sometimes my patients actually complain about night sweats, which are similar to hot flashes, but the night sweats happen during sleep, and oftentimes they can wake people up from a deep sleep. Another symptom, mood changes. Perimenopause can actually bring about mood swings. So we're talking about irritability, anxiety, and all the things. And hormonal fluctuations are to be blamed for it. We talked a little bit about sleep disturbances as far as the night sweats are concerned, but some people can also have difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or even waking up frequently throughout the night. Perimenopause has a lot of different symptoms. Another one is vaginal dryness. So as you're going through perimenopause, you're going to have thinning of the vaginal lining that will lead to some dryness, some discomfort, and irritation during intercourse. Some women also complain of urinary incontinence, where they have weakening of their pelvic floor muscles that may be contributing to that. And you get some leakage of urine. Some people have joint pains and muscle aches. I know I am going through a long list of signs and symptoms, but some women experience these as they are going through perimenopause. Once again, we can attribute these to hormonal changes. We talked about all of these things. Something else that can happen is thinning of the hair and dry skin. The decreased estrogen levels are going to lead to these symptoms. Some women experience heart palpitations